Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to store your Jeep Gladiator Hardtop. First, you'll need a T50 Torx bit and a friend to help. Make sure your Jeep is on a level surface and you have a clear, safe area to place the hardtop once it's removed. Double-check that all windows are fully closed and any latches are secured to prevent damage during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy removal. Now let's get that hardtop off. Inside, unlatch the 6 clamps that hold the front panels in place. Next, move to the rear and disconnect the washer fluid hose and the electrical harness. These are usually on the driver's side. With a friend, carefully lift the entire hardtop straight up and off the Jeep. It's heavier than it looks, so take your time and communicate clearly. Once removed, you have several storage options. A hoist system is excellent for garages, lifting the hardtop overhead to save floor space. If you prefer ground storage, a dedicated hardtop cart offers mobility and protection. Always store your hardtop indoors, away from direct sunlight, extreme temperatures, and moisture. This prevents fading, warping, and other potential damage over time, keeping it in top condition. Before storing your hardtop for an extended period, give it a good cleaning. Remove any dirt or debris, then apply a UV protectant to the exterior. This helps prevent fading and cracking from sun exposure, keeping it looking new. Also, consider covering it with a soft, breathable cover to protect against dust and accidental scratches. For other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below. Proper care ensures your hardtop is ready for your next adventure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.